Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. In my last community post, I posted a poll asking everybody what the next film simulation you wanted to have covered on the channel. And the overwhelming majority on that poll was Kodachrome. I've posted a Kodachrome simulation on the channel before, and I will link to that down in the description below, but I did actually find another Kodachrome recipe that I think everybody watching will definitely like as well. First off on this, a little history on Kodachrome. Kodachrome is a brand name from a color reversal film. It was introduced by Kodak back in 1935. It was one of the first successful color films. It was used for both cinematography and also in still photography. And for many years, Kodachrome was widely used by professional color photography, especially for images intended for publication or print media. But unfortunately, due to the growth and popularity of alternative photographic materials, it was a complex film to process, and with the widespread transition in the industry to digital photography, Kodachrome unfortunately started to lose market share. This led to Kodachrome being discontinued in 2009, and processing ended in December of 2010, but you can actually create now with custom profiles on our Fuji cameras, which is pretty cool. You can create these film simulations to mimic the look of Kodachrome. I came across this recipe of Kodachrome when I was looking through all of the different Fuji recipes of Mark G. Adams on his website. And this one really caught my eye for a couple of reasons, actually. The first, it's based on Fred Herzog's photo look. And second, it uses the Velvia film simulation as a base for the colors. This gives it a little bit more punch over some of the previous Kodachrome recipes that I've shared. A lot of the ones will use a different film simulation. So this one's kind of neat with the Velvia. I've shared a few of Mark's film simulation recipes on this channel already. If you haven't checked those out, I will link them down below, but also we'll leave a link to his website. So make sure you check out the website link for Mark. Check out his film simulations. They're all pretty awesome, and I'm actually looking forward to trying out some other ones as well. So I took my camera out this morning and went for a quick walk to try out these simulations. I loaded it all into the camera. Now these sample images I took using this Kodachrome Fred Herzog film simulation. Not the greatest weather today locally here, but hopefully you'll kind of get a good idea for what these film simulations will ultimately kind of look like in terms of the colors. Keep an eye out for some of the reds in these as well. Nice punch of the reds with the Kodachrome. This film simulation is really great on a bright and sunny day. Nice sunny colors, nice vibrant blue skies you'll really notice with this Kodachrome film simulation. Unfortunately, the weather here is kind of lousy. I did my best. You can look at these sample pictures, but also check out the website for Mark's website, because it will actually have some more samples of images from this film simulation. Now, if you want to set up your Fuji X-T4 or X-T3 to simulate the Fred Herzog Kodachrome version 1 created by Mark, here is the recipe. If you're new to Fujifilm simulations, there is a link to a video I have down below, which will show you how to add these to your camera and get them set up and get you shooting. If you have any film simulation questions, just let me know down below. Thanks again to Mark for creating and sharing this Kodachrome simulation. I look forward to trying it out a bit more when we have some bit nicer weather here to get out. If there's a certain film simulation that everybody wants to see in an upcoming video, let me know down below in the comments as well. I'll be happy to cover it in an upcoming video. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.